Where are we going? To Deb.
We have one storage closet in our tiny house, and we use it to store our extra outdoor gear, and it is a mess right now. So this is what it looked like before we organized.
We're organizing. Will you go through your bin, please? You need to go through your bin. Will you take care of that and organize it, please? You don't want to? Can you go? Look, it's your backpack. Hi, look. Is that your stuff? Look, it's your coat. What is that? It's okay. Holly. Why do you act like I'm so mean? And after. Our hall closet looks so much better. We've got waders and beach towels. Some of my kitchen supplies are in here now. Freed up a ton of space. This is our winter jackets and snowboarding gloves, face masks, goggles. Extra keys for the vehicles. We now have backpacks hanging. Ollie's backpack. Our camping towels. These are like rain pants, rain jackets. And then this is all mountain biking stuff. Now we have our yoga mats and like just workout gear. And then just outdoor shoes out here, like boots and rain boots and regular sneakers. And these are our nicer jackets that we wear out and about, and Ollie's jacket too. Looks really good. Love it. We put most of our other winter stuff out in the shed, and then that'll come in summer, and a lot of that stuff will go outside that we won't be using. Now it freed up a lot of space up here. I don't want to put anything else on top of the fridge because it gets so dusty up there. I just want to be able to wipe it off when I can. And then in here, I have way more space. I have more dishes, but my dishes are really dirty right now. But now I can get to like these little bowls and a growler and extra coffee and plates and dishes much easier without the blender and all of those extra mugs.
We spent most of Friday and Saturday organizing and cleaning the tiny house, and then we had a wedding Saturday evening. So Sunday morning we got up bright and early, drove to the mountains, and spent the day out on the water.
Ready for a swim. Stop.
Day swimming and relaxing, and now we are ready for another work week. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.